It's a blustery day in the 100-Acre Wood, so let's take a ride on the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh here at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. One of the best parts of this attraction is the line. If you're traveling with littles, this is a great ride because there's plenty to keep them distracted, even on those days when there are extra long waits. Let's go take a ride and wave to our favorite friends, Tigger, Pooh, and the rest as we ride the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Let's go!
Thank you.
The East Wind traded places last week. If you ask me, he'll never reach there.
To the left as we go through this door, you can see Owl handing the key.
It's more Tigger!
Follow me! I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out, I have to look at the movie.